Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start and make a banner. First of all, I will fix my thumbnail. Then I will go to the main design, which is banner design. So first of all, I will cut it down here. Banner design. Then yes, this is the middle point. This is the middle point of this circle. And now I will change here some color, which will be make it I'll make it green. I think this green, sorry, here is a problem. So I have to go to the stroke color. I made a mistake here, and stroke color, it is okay. Then I will make here another change, which is I will make it yellow. I'll make it yellow. Then I'll make it also the yellow. And now this banner and this banner. It should be the green. How it look like? I think it look nice, but here is the problem. Uh, Here I will increase the stroke, which will be 5. Increase the stroke, and this stroke and this stroke will be increased 0.5. 0.5. Now this is good to see. Now I will save it down, here, and it is saving. You can see here. Now I will go to the export option and want to export it as PNG format. Click the OK button and replace it with the past. So now I will go to the new file for the banner design, which is our main design today. And for the banner design, you have to take 1280 420. Now create it. Now for the banner design, I will take here and how it look like. I think it look okay. Now I will change this color, and I will take green also here, green also. So make it green, and I will decrease this stroke. This is 1, but I will decrease it. Now how it look like? I will make a copy. Sorry, I will make a copy of this, and it should be here, and I will make it. Yes, I think this is good. This is good to see. Now what I will do here. First of all, I will make here the name of banner design. Name of banner design. Sorry, I will show you the how to make the design, how to make a design here. First of all, I will do save my name. Now I will make a name. Sorry. Abdullah Ahmad Medab, and this is I will increase it, and I will make here some change. Which change is good for my name here? I will see. I want to um, which is good for it. I'll show you. Um, I will color it here. I will color here many things. So which which should be the best with it. And you can see um, now. Okay, I will take this font, and which is Bologna MT, and I will make here my name, and now I will change this color. No, I will go for the gradient color, so that's why I have to create outline. You have to go to the type file and the create outline, and now you have to ungroup this. Now go to the gradient tool and select the linear gradient and go to the gradient which will be the best for the design. Now I will show you how it look like. I'll show you how it look like. You can see it is nice and looking, and 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 another things I will go for the past, go to the past, and now I will change this font, change the font, sorry, uh, which font, yes, this font, okay. Now now you can see here I will make it in middle, then I will select it and go for the linear color, sorry. First of all, I have to select this and go for the linear color. Oh no, which I have do in past, in present, that was 2, and now for the for the typographical you have to create outline, then ungroup this. Now I will change it as gradient as what I want. In this color I will go for the green. Now how it look like, you can see how it look like. It look nice to see, and this is how I make a banner design. And you have to make it, and typographical things you have to learn about this and do this at your home and learn more and more. I'll show you more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.